It's Thursday 27th February, and the markets ended on a mixed note after a volatile session. Sectorally, auto, media, and realty stocks fell, while banking and metal stocks managed to hold their ground. Let's take a look at today's key market highlights. The Nifty slipped 2.5 points to close at 22,545, while the Sensex edged up 10 points to 74,612. Market breadth remained weak, with 3,022 stocks declining against just 952 advancing. Sectorally, banks and metals managed to hold steady, but auto, media, and realty stocks saw sharp declines, falling between 1.5% and 3.5%. Shriram Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, Hindalco, and Sun Pharma led the gains on the Nifty, providing some support amid a volatile session. On the downside, Ultratech Cement, Trent, Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors, and M&M saw notable declines, dragging the index lower. The Indian rupee ended Thursday on a flat note at 87.20 per US dollar, recovering most of its early losses. After opening 6 paise lower at 87.26, the currency slipped further to 87.42 before stabilizing. Market participants noted possible RBI intervention in the second half of the session, helping the rupee recover from its intraday decline. Bitcoin tumbled to $82,455, down over 20% from its peak, as spot Bitcoin ETF saw record $756 million outflows. BlackRock lost $420 million, Fidelity shed $145.7 million, and the crypto market cap fell 5.6% to $2.9 trillion. India's Nifty 50 has dropped 14% from its September peak, yet the volatility index has moved in sync with it for 7 straight sessions, an unusual trend signaling reduced hedging activity. Analysts suggest traders expect stability in large-cap stocks despite recent declines. Sonam Srivastava of Right Research noted a shift in hedging focus to mid-cap stocks. The broader markets underperformed the benchmarks today. The Nifty Mid-Cap 100 declined 1.14%, while the Small-Cap 100 dropped 1.64%. This weakness highlights increased profit booking in mid- and small-cap stocks, signaling cautious sentiment among investors. Gold fell 0.87% to $2,890 an ounce, its lowest level since 17 February, as a stronger US dollar pressured prices. After hitting a record high of $2,956.15 earlier this week, bullion is down over 1% this session. Investors await the PCE inflation data, which could impact the Federal Reserve's rate outlook, while traders eye key support levels for further movement. Srinath Paper Products SME IPO saw a 38% subscription by midday on its second day. Retail investors led with a 72% subscription, while non-institutional investors lagged at 4%, and QIBs were yet to participate. The company aims to raise 23.36 crore rupees by listing on the BSE SME platform. Bajaj Finance surged 3% as the RBI eased risk weight norms on bank loans to NBFCs, improving credit flow and capital ratios. The announcement also lifted financial stocks like Bandhan Bank and IndusInd Bank. Analysts view the move positively but caution about selective lending and sectoral risks. Adani Power surged 3% in early trade after securing approval to acquire Vidarbh Industries Power Ltd, formerly owned by Anil Ambani. The company's resolution plan was approved by Wiplas Committee of Creditors, with a letter of intent issued on 24 February. Despite the initial rally, the stock closed slightly lower, down 0.12% by the end of the session. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.